We are at the junkyard and Nick hopefully gets to test out his new tool.
I'm excited.
It's a cordless Milwaukee grinder that's equivalent to a 13 amp corded grinder. It'll take up to a 6-inch disc, and it has the slide trigger instead of the paddle, which is something that Nick wanted.
It's like a must. They were on sale, so I picked one up. I've needed one for a while, so yeah. Hopefully this thing's everything it's cut up to be, and I'll go cut some stuff up with it.
The wind hurts a little. That's where we're at. Yeah, it's cold today. It is so cold and windy here today. I found the diesel. I daily drove a diesel Liberty for many years. It was really cool. Would have been helpful at the time if the junkyard had diesel Liberties then, but they didn't. Just gonna grab the window switch out of this truck because the window switch in our truck build is busted.
It's not all busted, which is better than mine. It's only kind of busted.
For sure.
And it's kind of pretty busted. Too busted.
Never mind. Not gonna take
All the
that.
clips are all busted off of it.
Bummer. Well, this is what we're here for. Two-wheel drive, Super Duty axle. This is the truck that we are pulling the axle from. The only problem is the junkyard has it sitting on the control arms here. So clearly we need to remove those to remove the axle. So we got to figure out a way to reposition these jack stands. Also, why this axle, you may ask? Because there's clearly no center section. These two-wheel drive straight tube axles are a good option if you want to build your own axle or if you want to make a rear steer axle. You can cut the axle tube wherever you want to put in your own center section. Could be a fabricated center section. And then you have the outers, so you can just run Super Duty hubs and everything. I don't know exactly what we're going to put this in yet, but this is something Nick's been looking for a while because we don't have a lot of two-wheel drive trucks here in Michigan. So this was kind of more of an opportunity purchase, so we'll keep it on hand for when we do need it. Now I am on a mission to find a hoist. So we're
truck up and reposition it so that we can get the control arms out. There's a few up at the front here. Should be able to grab one. And of course, I had to come all the way up to the front to grab this, and we are in the very last row of the junkyard, so I gotta push it all the way back. There we go. I kind of got some momentum going. Well, I'm getting a workout in. That's for sure. Well, I made it back here, but we're also at the end of the row, so Nick's taking it from here. I'm out of breath. This is a fun little spot. A little tight squeeze. Whew. Whew. It's like we've done this before. In like almost the exact same spot.
Yeah. I think it was like pretty much right at the same spot.
Just a cover there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was definitely it. Hopefully there's another one. Hey, do you see that one, Nick? Do you see this one?
No. Is that one? Oh, is that one right next to it?
Yeah. It is so windy and cold that I'm now sitting in the truck while he straps it down. Can't feel my fingers. He was the only one smart enough to bring gloves today. Clearly I was not. Well, that was our adventure today.
I think it works pretty good. I mean, not that I'm surprised, but I don't know why I put off getting one for so long. I mean, if you can snag one on sale with a battery like I did, that's for sure the move. I'd say 10 out of 10. We'll use religiously.
Good purchase.
Yeah.
Well, that is if your junkyard allows you to use angle grinders. A lot of them don't, but ours does.
That's the same as like my half-inch impact. That's just going to be a tool that lives with me when we go places. I mean, it's...
And when we go wheeling and everything, probably.
It's just one of those tools that when you're in a situation and you need it, there's almost no other option. Like I have a Sawzall and it's just not the same.
That puts the Sawzall to shame.
Yeah.